So this is a wonderful recipe that I showed, that I had my 8-year-old daughter take, and she said it was a 9 out of 10. So I'm gonna see if my patient will like it. So I put about 6 ounces a person. So if it's 18 ounces, so that's 18. Each cup is 8 ounces. It's gonna be a little over 2 cups. Am I right? 6 times 3 is 18. 18 ounces would be 68, but a little over 2 cups. Okay, so that's my 2 cup mark right. Oops, my 2 cup mark there. Just a little over that. And then I put in, for the number of people, I put 1 date per person. But I'm not going to put any other powder because I don't want the taste to be spoiled. And I put a little bit of flaxseed. Where's the flaxseed? You want to pause it? Okay. So you can put in many number of seeds as you want. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon per person.
What's that?
Flaxseed. You okay with flaxseeds?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm going to put all 3. So when I do this, you have to have a strong blender because it causes you want to liquefy the seeds. So I take out the seed of the date and put it in there. This is what makes it sweet. One more. Okay. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and when you have a powerful blender, it'll homogenize the seeds and the dates. So I put it on high until it looks like it's not shaking. It's not until it's all liquefied and homogenized. So I start on low. Turn it up real high, it's going to be loud. So it's pretty liquefied. It took me about 30, 40 seconds. And then the last thing that I do, and this tends to foam. So I just put it for 2 seconds. And can you pause it for a second? Use the vanilla pure paleo protein. It's bone broth. And when you read it, it says here, highly concentrated pure bone broth protein produced in exclusive ultrafiltration process. It's non-GMO. It's animals raised in Sweden. They feed on grasses, non-GMO grains, hay, and ensilage. I bet you know what that is, right? I don't. And so it's easy to digest. It's pre-digested already. So I put everything on low. And I put 1 scoop per person, but there's flax seeds in there, so I just maybe do 2 scoops. If there was no flax seeds, which has protein in it and good fats as well, then I put 3 scoops per person, 1 scoop per person. So it's a total of 3. And so now we get to taste it.